How to create an irresistible front-end offer. As you know, the front-end product will be your frontline product, so it's important to make your front-end irresistible. It's the most important role in the sales funnel because it's going to get people in and get the ball rolling in your sales funnel. Without an irresistible front-end offer that opens the loop, no matter how great your upsell offer is or how great your back-end offer is, people are not going to see it. So it's really important to make sure they get your front-end offer. You'll learn some key concepts of the front-end product along the way in this lecture. But having the irresistible front-end offer is the cornerstone of successful online business. Your front-end product is the first product that you're going to show to your email subscribers. It is basically presenting the first impression of your sales funnel to the people who will click in your sales page. This is why an irresistible front-end product is so important to keep things rolling. A front-end product is usually sold in a lower price. Its main purpose is to attract subscribers to click on the buy button. It is a time-tested price range for the front end from the lowest to $9.97 to $37. However, there is no hard and fast rules here. You can tweak the price accordingly. You may be thinking of quoting your front end in the low price couldn't generate a huge revenue without thousands or more of sales with 100% commission given out to an affiliate. Where does this profit come from? But do not worry about this. The real money doesn't come from your front end, it comes from your upsells and back end. Criteria of the front end. To create a front end offer that is irresistible, you must first make it a product that has mass appeal and that can generate huge amount of sales. Before you decide on what kind of topic you are going to use for your front end, do some research. First, understand the kind of market that you're going to cover and then research customers in that niche. The research is crucial because at different kinds of niche, you will put a different kind of customers with different mindsets. Target a larger market like internet marketing niche or personal development niche. These markets could potentially be big for you to generate sales. Identify the market and the front end product that you could sell to them. When you're able to target them, your front end offer is going to make massive sales. The second criterion of a front end product is obviously an evergreen topic. The evergreen topic means that you will attract more people that buy and last a very long time, and the product is relevant for a very long time. People will still need the product regardless of what type of business they're in. For instance, in the internet marketing niche, lead generation methods would be an evergreen topic. Regardless of what kind of internet business they're in, they will definitely need to get visitors and subscribers to their website. Do not hesitate to invest your time to conduct the proper research on your customers' preferences because this will definitely help you in your sales funnel, both short-term and most importantly long-term. The third criterion of a front-end offer is a topic that we can solve an immediate or urgent problem for your customers. Think about it. Why do people want to buy your product? Is it because they need a quick solution to solve their problem? If the product can solve their problem immediately, they are what people are looking for. When you were offering a solution to their problems, you were in fact implementing the skill to use an emotional enhancer in your product. The emotional enhancers include wealth and money, security, power, love, happiness, or recognition. When you're brainstorming your next idea, always remember how to apply these in your product. What you can do before you fix the topic for your front end is to ask yourself a few questions. How can I enhance this product and make it irresistible? How can I push emotional buttons that everybody has? The format of the front end. Your front end product can be in many forms, such as an ebook, videos with a compilation of transcripts, graphics, and many more. If you're familiar with the marketplace for digital products, there are 3 common formats that have been used for years. Understanding your target market is really important for this reason. The more you understand about your target market, the more you're familiar with their preferences. For instance, in the internet marketing niche, people there in the market couldn't afford to spend too much time reading. The ever-changing environment and platforms in the internet marketing niche doesn't allow them to spare their time. Hence, most of them prefer to have videos and transcripts instead of the book. For those who can't squeeze an extra time of reading a 100-page book, why not make an audiobook instead? People don't just have the time to read anymore, or perhaps they're getting more and more impatient, hence the short attention span. If you can make 100 pages worth of content into 20 or 30 minutes course, why not? They can at least listen to the content of the training course, and if they miss out on something, they can refer to the transcript. However, ebooks can sometimes be sold hand in hand with videos and transcripts. You can offer them both at the same time and put your price slightly higher. If you worry about the price being too high, selling both at the same time, repurpose the ebook and make it a free report for your subscribers. Take note about this. A free report is usually a shorter version and more general version of the actual ebook. For instance, if your ebook is about getting traffic throughout different methods, you can entitle it to a free report about how to get instant traffic through buying a solo ad. You are giving the first method as a teaser for them to understand about traffic generation. If they're serious about their business, they will buy your front end to learn more about it. These are ideal customers you should target instead of only getting names for your subscriber list. These are ideal customers you should target instead of only getting names for your email subscriber list. You can increase your buyers list as well. Graphics is another niche that is a large market. Whoever owns a website will need graphics. Whoever needs the presentation needs graphics as well. This is a huge potential market that you can try on. There are a few front-end products that you can start with: PowerPoint or Keynotes template, infographics, and Mascot Creator. The list can go on, but these are a few common graphic front ends that you can find in the marketplace. How do you make your front end offer irresistible? The answer is to offer bonuses with your front end. I want you to imagine that you're a customer and there are two offers for you. Same offer of lead generation video course with the same price, but one is bonuses and the other one without. Which one would you choose? Obviously you choose the first one with bonuses.